flame hot, know I'm hotter than that. Told you before, know this deeper than rap. We been up in the cap, ain't no cap. Just bought the block where they didn't want me at. Just threw a fest right across from the tracks. Try to take my world, but I got the bitch back. Harder than this, a heart attack. Running this shit to cardiac.
Right now I got a Muzzy on here. It was long, but I chopped it up and tried to give it a deep tone. It sound good, you know, but I'm looking for different, you know. I mean, as far as tone goes, I mean, I'm so used to having cars and G-bodies. You know, I got my own bike now, so it's a whole different world for me right now. You know, trying to see how stuff sound or see what stuff look like and stuff like that. So, but I'm finna try this M4 out. I mean, from what I've been reading, I mean, there's some decent sound in the exhaust, but I don't know. I haven't really looked up performance-wise what it does. So, I mean, I guess we'll just have to see what it feel like, you know, and go from there. I know what it feel like with this Muzzy on here. I mean, if I could, I mean, if it does feel different, I mean, I'll be able to tell it anyway. But this actually ain't the Muzzy I thought everybody had, because the one I was looking at on YouTube of other people that was trying to slip on M4, they could take their baffle out, and it had two C clips. You see, it had two C clips, well, one C clip that you just squeeze together and pull it out and just pull the whole inside of the baffle out. But as you can see, this one ain't like that. It's just weird. I ain't never seen it like it before, but I'm gonna probably end up taking that out because I don't even think that's gonna sound different right there. It ain't gonna sound that good. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see. So let me break this thing down, and I'm gonna make a video with the mid pipe on with the M4. Then I'm do a video with the M4 with the mid pipe off and the M4 right there where the mid pipe goes. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got it on. It don't quite fit like it should, but I got it on now with just the spring pulling it in there. So I'm gonna try like this first, see how it sound. But I think eventually I'm gonna end up putting the mid pipe on, and I think it'll mount right here. So if that don't work, I'm gonna end up putting it right there. So I'm finna start it up. It's gonna be loud as crap in here, so let's see how it's gonna work. I lay my phone down somewhere. Okay, I'm back. I left my key in the house, so I said it's gonna be loud as crap. Oh. don't sound too bad actually. But like I said, it's a gap right here. A little bit of air coming out of it, so I don't think that'll work right there. But we put y'all on pause again. I'll be back. Like I said, I'm gonna try the mid pipe and see how it sounds. And if it sounds better, I'm gonna just use the mid pipe and do it like that. But my chances are I'm probably gonna end up going back to how it is now, cause I kind of like it like that. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Now I got the mid pipe on. Finna see how it sound like that. Sound like my mother, almost. It almost sound like my mother. It's alright there. I might need to try that. Yeah, I might need to try that. I kinda like how this sound now. But there you go. I ain't too much finished with it yet. I still gotta do some little minor stuff to it to get it to fit right. I think I gotta shave. Let's see. I gotta shave these off on both ends. It came with 2 extra ones, so I'm assuming that's what they. Put them in there for, just in case I had to cut them, just so the actual pipe can just slide down on the mid pipe, because it's actually a little big. It ain't big, but it got some slack in it, I'm put it like that. So I'm gonna shave them pieces there off and probably take it to work tomorrow and get them little pieces there welded on. Well, really, I ain't gonna need them welded on. Just give me a clamp, probably exhaust clamp, just to hold it together. Cause that's pretty much what it was on my Muzzy. But it's already on the muffler though. But anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Just waiting on another hot day. Ain't no telling when that's gonna be. But for now, that's all I got for y'all. Peace.